Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. And about once every week or so, we're fortunate enough to be joined by the wonderful Jasmine Kyle. She's the executive director at the SEK Humane Society. And very often we are joined by Jasmine. And Jasmine, once again, thank you for your time this morning. And usually she'll have a dog, a cat, something in her lap that she shows us and lets us know how important it is to adopt. But we got a little different thing now that we've turned the calendar into August. It's called Clear the Shelter.
Yeah.
Our goal is to get everybody a home, isn't it, Jasmine?
Yes, it is. It's a big month for shelters. So for the whole month of August, we are doing something really drastic because we really are at full capacity. We're dropping dogs all the way down to just $20. All of the animals at our shelter are already spayed and neutered. They're microchipped. They're up to date on their vaccinations. They are ready to go to their forever homes. We've been in quarantine for the last 3 weeks. We do not discriminate when we intake sick animals. So we had to quarantine to get some upper respiratory under control, but we will be officially cleared this week. And our first open weekend to the public is this weekend, the first weekend in August. So people can do one of two things. You can either come see us this weekend, or two, you can actually go online to our website, which is the sekhumanesociety.com. You can see all of our adoptable animals there, and you can even submit an application and we can schedule you your own private adoption appointment.
You know, it's crazy when you tell me there's only a $20 adoption fee and they've got all their shots, they're microchipped, and then you actually have some animals that are sponsored, I guess would be the best term. They don't even have an adoption fee, is that correct?
Yep, that is correct. So for those individuals, this is from businesses to community members, from our neighbors in the area. They will sponsor them. Basically, they pay for their adoption fee, and that sponsorship is guaranteed for lifetime. They will forever not have an adoption once they are sponsored with us.
Okay, so that's our goal for the month of August, folks. We're going to clear the shelter, find everybody wonderful homes. Now, I know you also have some exciting news about the food bank program partnering with the United States Humane Society. And I want to be able to give you time to give a shout out to everybody who played a key role in that.
Yeah, so we were very blessed early into the pandemic with getting food from Greater Good Charities and through the United States Humane Society. It was earlier this year that we had a miracle happen, and the United States Humane Society, Chewy, was able to partner with us, and we got in 25 pallets. We're talking about 35,000 pounds of food. That program has been going on for 4.5 months. So we were down to our last 2 nights, and we had another miracle happen, and the United States Humane Society and Chewy reached out to us, and they wanted to partner up again. So we are very pleased to share that we just got done last week unloading another 25 pallets of food that is going to provide another at least a minimum 3 months of food for this program. So we are going to be continuing it. It's every Wednesday night at our shelter from 4:30 to 6.
Jasmine, can't thank you enough and the SEK Humane Society for not only making sure that the dogs that you take in are safe and find homes, but also to taking care of those who have homes but may be in need at this point in time. Jasmine Kyle, Executive Director of the SEK Humane Society, thank you so much for your time. Catch up with you here next week, couple weeks?
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, I appreciate it. You have a great day, Jasmine. We'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.